The Great Pyramid of Giza, standing tall for more than 4,500 years, is one of the greatest mysteries of human history. Built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, it has always been a symbol of power, precision, and ancient engineering genius. But even after thousands of years, scientists and explorers are still uncovering new secrets hidden deep within its massive stone structure. Today, we'll explore the mystery of the hidden chambers inside the Great Pyramid of Giza and what they might tell us about our ancient past. The Great Pyramid was built around 2560 BC and was originally about 146 meters tall. Made from more than 2 million limestone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, it's an incredible achievement even by today's standards. For centuries, people believed that everything inside the pyramid had already been discovered: the king's chamber, the queen's chamber, and the grand gallery. But recent technology has shown that there may be much more hidden inside than we ever imagined. In 2017, a project called Scan Pyramids used advanced scanning technology to explore the inside of the pyramid without causing any damage. Scientists used a technique called muon radiography, which detects tiny cosmic particles that pass through solid materials. By studying how these particles move, they can see inside massive structures, just like an X-ray sees inside the human body. What they found shocked the world. Deep inside the pyramid, above the grand gallery, they discovered a huge void, or empty space, that no one had ever seen before. This mysterious chamber is around 30 meters long, about the size of a passenger airplane, and no one knows exactly what it's for. Some believe it might be a secret burial chamber. Others think it was built to reduce pressure on the rooms below, and a few even believe it hides something extraordinary, like lost treasures or ancient knowledge. The discovery reignited global interest in the Great Pyramid. For centuries, historians and archaeologists have debated how and why it was built with such perfect alignment to the stars and such mathematical precision. The hidden chambers might hold answers to these mysteries. They could reveal new information about ancient Egyptian engineering, construction methods, and even their spiritual beliefs about life after death. Explorers have also used robots to investigate narrow shafts and tunnels that run through the pyramid. In one such tunnel leading from the Queen's chamber, a small robot discovered a tiny stone door with metal handles, something never seen before in ancient Egyptian architecture. What lies beyond that door remains a mystery, but it proves that the Great Pyramid still hides many secrets waiting to be found. Many theories have been proposed about these hidden chambers. Some scientists believe they were meant to store sacred items for the afterlife of Pharaoh Khufu. Others think they were symbolic, designed to help the king's soul ascend to the heavens. There are also those who suggest the pyramid was used for astronomical or energy purposes, connecting Earth to the stars. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain: the Great Pyramid continues to fascinate the world. It reminds us of how advanced the ancient Egyptians were and how much they understood about architecture, mathematics, and the universe itself. Today, new technology is allowing us to see what human eyes never could before. Scientists are planning more scans, robotic explorations, and even 3D mapping to reveal every hidden passage inside this incredible monument. As we keep exploring, we're not just studying an ancient tomb. We're uncovering a story of human ambition, creativity, and mystery that has lasted for thousands of years. The Great Pyramid is more than just a structure of stone. It's a time capsule from a world long gone, still holding secrets that could change what we know about our past. And as explorers continue to search its hidden chambers, one question remains. What else lies beneath those ancient stones, waiting to be discovered? This is the story of the Great Pyramid, where history, mystery, and wonder meet at the edge of time.